There's a growing buzz in tech, and it's all about Xiaomi. This company, known for solid phones and smart gadgets, is rumored to be working on something radically new. Not just another phone or wearable, something that could change how we interact with technology itself. The project, code-named HyperVision, is shrouded in secrecy. Unlike typical leaks, there are no photos or renders, just hints of a new device category. Think of the leap from flip phones to iPhones, or laptops to tablets. The rumors suggest a shift that big. Xiaomi is betting on a future beyond the smartphone, aiming to lead us there. They've hired top talent in AI, projection, and human-computer interaction. The goal? Not just a cool gadget, but the next major computing platform. This is the kind of ambition we expect from Apple or Google, but now it's Xiaomi stepping up. Supply chain leaks and patent filings hint at a device that doesn't fit any current mold. It's not a phone, not a watch, and not just another pair of AR glasses. Xiaomi is reimagining digital interaction from the ground up. If they succeed, the tech industry could be in for a major shakeup. The stakes and the excitement have never been higher, ever been. So, what is HyperVision? Leaks suggest it's not a single device, but a system. At its core is a small, wearable module, clipped to your clothes or worn on your wrist. This module is the brain, but it has no main screen. Instead, it projects information onto surfaces around you. Imagine your calendar on a wall, or the weather on your palm. Advanced pico projectors and depth sensors create interactive displays anywhere. You interact with gestures, not touchscreens, swiping, clicking, and typing in the air. The system runs on a new OS, HyperOS, built for this kind of interaction. The AI learns your routines, anticipating your needs. Walk into your office and your to-do list appears on your desk. Pick up a product, and nutrition info is projected beside it. HyperVision aims to make tech ambient and less intrusive. Digital info, seamlessly integrated into your world. The goal, get what you need with a glance or gesture, then get back to life. If Xiaomi pulls this off, our phones could feel ancient overnight. Xiaomi's strategy is all about speed and scale. They launch early, learn fast, and use manufacturing power to drive prices down. With HyperVision, they're likely to release a beta product, gather feedback, and iterate quickly. Expect aggressive pricing, maybe even selling at a loss to build a user base. The real money comes later, from services and a growing ecosystem. Xiaomi's supply chain expertise lets them ramp up production fast, flooding the market before competitors react. This playbook worked for their phones, smartbands, and scooters. They're not afraid to launch a product that's 80% perfect, then fix the rest with updates. It's a high-speed, high-stakes game, and Xiaomi excels at it. If HyperVision gains traction, Xiaomi could dominate before rivals even launch. Their willingness to move fast is what makes them so formidable. That's why the HyperVision rumors are worth paying attention to. Apple and Xiaomi have opposite philosophies. Apple waits, perfects, and launches polished products that define categories. Think iPod, iPhone, Apple Watch. They focus on quality, patience, and a premium experience. Xiaomi, in contrast, rushes in, aiming to be first and affordable. They accept rough edges, knowing they can improve later. Their goal: rapid market penetration and a network effect. More users attract more developers, making the platform stronger. Apple builds cathedrals. Xiaomi builds bustling bazaars and refines them over time. With HyperVision, Xiaomi isn't waiting for perfection. They're launching with what's possible now. This clash of strategies will be fascinating. Will consumers prefer Apple's polish or Xiaomi's early access to the future? The answer could reshape the tech landscape. Xiaomi is betting speed and accessibility will win. Apple is likely to wait, watch, and perfect. The race for the next big platform is on. HyperVision's magic is in its tech. The wearable module packs a custom ARM chip, optimized for AI and low power. It's always connected: 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. The real breakthrough is in projection. Laser-based pico projectors and sensors map your environment in 3D. This lets the device project stable, bright images on any surface, even your hand. Infrared sensors track your gestures with precision, turning swipes and pinches into commands. HyperOS, the new operating system, is context-centric. It knows where you are, what you're doing, and what you might need next. The AI pulls info from your calendar, messages, and location to offer proactive help. Developers are already building new experiences for HyperVision, especially in China. The app model may shift to integrated services, news, productivity, entertainment, seamlessly woven into your day. This could spark a new digital economy around hypervision. It's a bold reimagining of how we use technology. Hypervision isn't just about tech, it's about geopolitics. China wants tech independence, reducing reliance on US technology. The government backs companies like Xiaomi to build homegrown platforms. If HyperOS succeeds, it's a huge win for China, giving developers a domestic alternative to Android and iOS. Xiaomi can launch and refine hypervision in China's massive market, shielded from global competition. This home advantage lets them take bigger risks and play a longer game. But international expansion brings challenges: data privacy concerns, regulatory scrutiny, and trust issues. Xiaomi must prove hypervision is open and secure, not just a tool for state influence. Navigating this landscape will be as crucial as the tech itself. Success at home is just the first step. Winning global trust is the real test. Launching a new computing platform is a massive risk. The tech world is full of failed attempts. Few succeed like the iPhone. Xiaomi is betting its future on hypervision, shifting away from the stable smartphone market. Critics say the tech, projection, gesture control, isn't ready, and users may resist change. The business model is unproven. Can services make up for low-margin hardware? But others see a smart move. The smartphone market is stagnant, and there's hunger for the next big thing. If Xiaomi defines this new category, the rewards are huge. Market leadership, new app economies, and industry disruption. Success could trigger a rapid decline in smartphone sales, forcing Apple and Samsung to catch up. The entire app ecosystem could shift overnight. Xiaomi isn't just launching a product, they're trying to spark an industry earthquake. The risks are enormous, but so are the potential rewards. It's a bold gamble for the next decade of tech. The world is watching. What could a hypervision future look like? Imagine walking without staring at a screen. Directions appear on the ground, messages on your hand. Snap a photo with a gesture, not a phone. No more disconnecting from the world to check a device. In offices, meetings happen around projected documents. In schools, students explore 3D models in real space. At home, your wall becomes a movie screen or art display. The world itself becomes your interface. This is the next step in personal tech. From desktops, to laptops, to smartphones, to tech that disappears into your environment. Hypervision aims to make technology an invisible, helpful extension of you. Of course, challenges remain: technical, social, and privacy hurdles. But Xiaomi's ambition is clear: pioneer the next great shift in tech. Whether they succeed or not, they're forcing the industry to think beyond the smartphone. The next few years could redefine our relationship with technology.